Twin just dropped a massive announcement. You can now natively use Twin's app inside of Slack. What this means is you no longer need to switch between Slack and Twin. You can literally use everything natively inside of Slack. And the possibilities of this are endless. And what this means is now you and your team can build automations and manage the existing automations all with inside one place. All you got to do is head over to Twin, click on the new Slack feature, which you can see on the left-hand side, and sign into your Slack channel. And then boom, from there, you are able to use Twin as an app inside of Slack. So wherever you go inside of Slack, as long as Twin is added to that channel, you can use it to start automating your business even further. This is one of many automations that we've just dropped here at Twin, and I can't wait for you to check it out. Now you can directly connect Twin to your Slack channel. Before we had partial access, now you have a full-blown application inside of Slack that you can use to build automations and run all of the current automations that you have in Twin. Now, in terms of getting this set up, it literally takes 10 seconds. All you got to do is click Twin in Slack. If you haven't already set up an organization, you can do that. So let's call mine Ryan. You can also invite your teammates, and then you're going to go ahead and create your organization. Then it's going to take you to a web page that looks like this. You're just going to allow Twin access to your Slack. You can also pick a channel for webhooks. So let's go ahead and pick real estate team. Then click allow. And from there, you're going to be able to natively use Twin inside of Slack. This is going to open up a lot of possibilities for you in terms of building automations directly from where your team are organizing. And from there, you can start building automations and reviewing your existing automations all inside of Slack. So no longer do you need to switch between Slack and Twin. You can use everything inside of Slack. And the best part is your team can access it as well. So they can start building automations and systems on your behalf. This is one of many of the improvements that we've made here at Twin, and I can't wait for you to try it out. So if you haven't already, go make a free account and check it out.